Euro USD daily markup and forecast for Friday, the 20th of Feb. This is the daily time frame. We have the structure, a break of structure over here, and on the daily time frame, the overall swing structure is bullish. Why? Because this is where the break of structures happen. After the break of structure, we can expect a pullback to happen, which is what is currently happening. So on the internal, the daily is bearish, but overall market structure, the daily is bullish. So we can expect a pullback to happen, and thereafter the price should reverse. Now, how far has this pullback happened till? So if we just extend the fib, we can see this is the 50%. So it's a reasonably deepish pullback, but I also see this is a reasonably strong demand zone. Why? Because it led to a break of market structure, and if you really want to go down, then this is a deeper demand zone, and it is, if the price comes down over here, it's going to be an even deeper pullback. Whether price reaches here or not is not for us to debate, but our job is to be reactive to how price action reveals its cards. So that's as far as the daily is concerned. We are bearish on the internal, but overall the swing structure is bullish. So this is the strong daily swing low, and this is the weak daily swing high. So at some point we expect the price to I think it'll probably maybe come down a little further, and then we go and we take out this swing, the weak swing high. That's as far as the daily is concerned. Moving on to the 4-hour time frame. The 4-hour is also obviously, the overall swing structure is bullish. Why? Because we had a break of market structure here. This is this this high was taken out from somewhere here. So anywhere here could be the strong demand zone which led to this break. And after a break in market structure, we've had a very long extension over here, and now the pullback is in progress. In fact, we can now safely mark this as a weak swing high on the 4-hour, and now we can expect the price to kind of pull back, and it's pulling back quite reasonably. And if we again look at where are we as far as the how far deep have we pulled? So this is 50%, this is 61.8, and this is about 70%. So this is, I think, a reasonable pullback. We are already kind of over here, and I think price should reverse from here. Maybe we pull a little further down, maybe sweep this entire 4-hour zone, and then kind of go up from here. What I would be interested in would now be, I really don't want to play the shorts, because now I think we've had a reasonably deep pullback, and I would expect the price to kind of now reverse. When will I be interested? Well, as a bare minimum, I would like to see if we take out this high, which is a change of character that happens. So maybe if we kind of we are here, we pull down a little more, and once we kind of take this out, yes, I would be interested, but I would be more interested if we take out the internal highs. So all these three over here, so maybe we get some kind of a, after we take out this, we maybe get some kind of a reaction, and then we go on further to take this out. And once we've kind of taken this out, I would be interested in probably looking at some kind of a demand zone which led to break of these three equal highs, and maybe once the price comes in there, that's when I'll be looking at playing a long. So maybe if we form some kind of a zone here, that's and once the price kind of pulls in here, then maybe I can look at playing a long over here, cover this, and maybe go for a 1:2 kind of a, or maybe at this point even look at targeting this weak swing high. So maybe something like this, in case the price does this. So this will be like a 1:3 trade. So we could look at that, but these are just the price doesn't have to do what we think, and let's just wait and watch. So as of now, I am not in favor of shorts. I'm just going to sit on my hands and look at the price to kind of turn bullish, and then which will also be in line with the overall swing structure. So this is a strong swing low and this is a weak swing high. So my expectation is that price is going to take this out. So then let's just wait and watch. Moving on to the M15. Well, the M15 is bearish. Why? Because we're playing the 4-hour pullback, so, or even the daily pullback. So obviously price has kind of, we've had a break in market structure over here. And after the break in market structure, we expect a pullback to happen. Now, where will the pullback happen till? Well, this is a reasonably strong zone. But if you look at the overall, this is the swing high. This is the strong swing high because and the M15 is bearish. We can expect a pullback to happen, at least till equilibrium over here. This is a 50%. So maybe, I'll expect the price to kind of pull up here. That's the pullback that's happening. But having said that, like I said, we are already coming from a 4-hour, and this is probably the deeper daily zone. So, you can expect price to kind of reverse from here. So I'm going to be, like I said, extremely cautious. I'm not going to be, if at all, I do expect a pullback to happen, but let's just sit on our hands, wait and watch. Let London open. It's 5:45 at the moment. Let London open, and let's just see how this plays out. This is the Asian session in progress at the moment. So probably, I don't know. We could expect that once London opens, we sweep the Asian lows and then kind of go up. Why? Because we're expecting a pullback to happen on the M15. So that's where we are. I'm going to be extremely cautious and looking at price action like a hawk. I don't have any preconceived ideas or notions where the price is likely to go. I am only going to be reacting to where how it kind of reveals its hands, and I shall react accordingly. May the markets always be with you. Cheers.